Hey, it's Brenlizett. Welcome back to my channel. I have a video today about my experience using the Aztec Indian Healing Clay Mask for 7 days in a row and how it worked out for me. So keep on watching to get into it, and I'm going to wait now until it dries all the way. Okay, it is dry now, so I'm going to go wash it off. So this is my face after washing it. It feels a lot cleaner. My pores feel like they are smaller, minimized. And yes, we're in day 2. My skin didn't feel 100% today. It felt maybe like a 20%. Okay, it is dry, and I finally felt it actually start like a pulsating feeling around my nose area. Okay, so this is afterwards. It was visibly very red, my nose, so I was really happy about that because it feels like it's actually working. I always have worn makeup ever since I was around the age of, I want to say around 16 possibly, and I never like really went very many days without makeup. So there's a lot of cleaning to do. So I'm excited. Alrighty, so now it is day 3 and I'm going to get the mask on. My skin today felt a little bit better than yesterday. It felt like maybe like a 30 to 40%. I definitely am starting to enjoy this experience. It is very relaxing and it feels like almost like meditation. Today, I literally went out with only powder on my skin and this little bit of eye makeup, and that's it. And I felt my self-esteem was boosted with this clay mask, so thumbs up. Thank you to the face mask makers. Hello, it is day 4 now, and I have no makeup on. I didn't wear makeup all day today. I didn't really go out, but I'm probably feeling like maybe my skin feels like a 35% better. So let's get this mask on. Okay, the face mask is dry. It seems like it's taking less and less time to dry almost each day. It dried in about 23 minutes today. So, and this is how it looks now. I should mention that I do have a pimple right here that appeared last night or this morning, and the face mask really helped it be more tolerable. We are in day 5, and here's what my skin looks like today. I still have that pimple from yesterday right here. My skin feels like about maybe still around 35, 40, 42%. So let's get the face mask on. You can really see the pores, each pore. Maybe the breakout was because of my feminine gift of month. But yeah, I normally get breakouts the day before, so yes, this is how my face looks afterwards. We are in day 6 and my skin feels not so bad actually. I know I do still have like breakouts a little bit there, here and there, but they feel kind of dried, a little bit dried, like less volcanic. I actually went out in the public without makeup on today, other than my eyebrows and my mascara. I didn't feel so insecure as normal, so that's a huge plus for me. Thank you to this face mask. So let's get it on and I will be back. I'm gonna keep watching my TV show. Alrighty, my face is dry now, so I'm going to go wash it off. So, yeah. Oh my lord, my skin feels great. I know I have breakouts though, like scars a little bit, like there. Well, scars and like pimples. It feels so like liberating. Like I can be myself, not that like hide my whole face all the time. So thank you to this face mask. I can't wait for tomorrow. Hey, what's up, my fellow people? It is day 7 now, and my skin feels pretty good. I actually have a little bit more self-confidence. It feels very freeing. So let's get this face mask on and I will be back. And I loved it. So I feel so much better. My face is not perfect, but it feels perfectly imperfect. Alright, my thoughts and feelings about the Aztec Indian Healing Clay Mask. Great. I would definitely recommend it for anyone who is like I was struggling with my skin. It helps calm my breakouts a lot. I feel like my skin is around 40 to 50% better than it used to be, and I feel a lot happier. I feel like my self-esteem has boosted with a lot of positivity and good vibes. I am so thankful and I feel blessed that this was even something that existed. Seriously. I hope that you try it as well. I welcome you to try it and let me know how that works out for you. Some people in my family really liked it, and a friend of mine, and my boyfriend also. So yeah, and I think that it's amazing. Definitely. I would I will definitely keep on using it because not maybe not every single day because it takes a little bit of time to let it dry and everything. I will probably use it whenever I get a breakout. It's been like maybe 3-4 days after the whole experiment, and I got one bad breakout right here, so my pores started feeling like they were getting gross, and so I felt like I definitely need to use the mask again because it gives me this feeling of it cleans my skin. So yeah, my skin definitely isn't all the way 100%. Still, I'm wearing a little bit of powder. That's it. I still feel pretty even though I'm not wearing a lot of foundation. Not trying to toot my own horn, but it was a very fun and relaxing experiment. I am not wearing any makeup in this clip on my skin, which I recorded before. I hope that you like it and that you subscribe. I also should have mentioned that the only things that I changed were my diet. I started eating less calories and my water intake. I started drinking a lot more water and exercise. I started going to the gym a little bit more on the elliptical machine. Not like crazy or anything, maybe like 1 or 2 days a week, like 2 days a week. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.